Impact of data processing. Different fields of work understand the impact of data processing in different ways. For some, it is a way to create better business plans and strategies, while for others, it provides a better way of comparison of data in different formats like graphs, stats, data tables, etc. It converts the data into an easy and understandable format for all its users. Mostly, it is used by big AI development companies to offer various solutions to other organizations. In this section of Data Processing Ultimate Guide, we will learn the impact of data processing on different sectors. 1. Business intelligence. It helps businesses to gain an understanding of what their competitors are doing and helps them to make informed and wise decisions regarding different matters. It also helps improve business operations, collecting real-time data and making actionable insights for future decision-making. 2. Healthcare. In order to analyze user data and prescribe medication, data processing is employed in healthcare. As a result, mistakes like prescribing the incorrect medication or accidentally dispensing a different medication become less common. To avoid errors and save lives, data analysis can find and warn about possibly improper medicines. Any information pertaining to the patient or a healthcare facility, such as medical records, scans and test results, hospital records, etc., is referred to as healthcare data. 3. Finance. Finance teams and businesses can obtain the data necessary to have a clear understanding of key performance indicators, KPIs, with the aid of data processing. Payroll expenses, net income, and revenue generated are a few examples. Data analytics enables finance teams to carefully examine and analyze key KPIs and spot revenue turnover fraud. Information on assets, liabilities, equity, expenses, income, and cash flow is included in financial data. These data points can be combined to give a comprehensive picture of how the business is doing. 4. Marketing and advertising. Marketing refers to the systematic planning, implementation, and integrated activities to generate income. It is strategic planning and working independently. At the same time, advertising is a part of marketing and the most expensive. It is a tactical way of understanding any problem. 5. Manufacturing and supply chain. Supply chain refers to a network between the company and its manufacturers that helps in the production and distribution of a product to its ultimate user. While manufacturing involves product planning, operations, management, storage, and warehousing of goods. Conclusion. Data processing is a vital skill in today's data-driven environment. The fundamental ideas and methods used in data processing have been beneficial in data analysis and evaluation. Businesses can gain important insights and make wise decisions by learning data integration, exploratory data analysis, statistical analysis, and even machine learning. The data processing cycle offers various solutions to different sizes companies in recent times. AGI Brains is a leading data processing service provider related to cloud consulting, customized solutions, data security, and automation services. Whether you want these services for small businesses or large-size businesses, it will help with their automated cult solutions, enhancing the overall user experience.